Have you ever wondered how wigs are made? Whether it's for fashion, film, medical reasons, or just fun, wigs play a huge role in how people present themselves. But behind every silky strand or voluminous curl is a fascinating, meticulous process that transforms raw hair, or sometimes synthetic fiber, into wearable art. Today we're diving deep into the world of wig making. From sourcing hair to styling the final product, you'll be surprised at how much craftsmanship goes into creating just one wig. Let's explore right here on History of Simple Things. The journey of a wig begins long before it's placed on someone's head. It starts with sourcing the hair itself. Most natural wigs are made from human hair, and a large portion of that hair is collected from countries like India, China, and parts of Southeast Asia. One of the most sought-after types is known as Remy hair, which means the cuticles are kept intact and aligned in the same direction. This preserves the hair's natural texture, prevents tangling, and ensures a smoother, more realistic appearance. In places like India, hair is often donated voluntarily at temples as part of religious rituals. Temple hair is particularly prized because it's typically untreated and healthy. The collected hair is then sold by the temple to wig manufacturers, with the proceeds often going to charity or community support. On the other hand, synthetic wigs are made from man-made fibers like acrylic, polyester, or PVC. These fibers are designed to mimic the appearance and texture of real hair, and are often more affordable. While synthetic hair doesn't have the same natural movement or longevity as human hair, modern technology has made high-quality synthetic wigs incredibly convincing. Once the hair has been collected, it doesn't go straight into a wig. First, it needs to be sorted, cleaned, and processed. The hair is separated based on length, texture, and color. Any shorter strands or damaged hairs are removed during this step. Then the hair is washed multiple times to remove dirt, oils, or residues. In some factories, especially when producing lighter shades, the hair undergoes a gentle bleaching process. After bleaching, it may be dyed to achieve a consistent color. For Remy hair, great care is taken to maintain the natural cuticle alignment throughout this entire process, which helps preserve the integrity of the strands. Synthetic fibers, in contrast, are manufactured in different shades and textures from the start. These fibers are extruded through small nozzles, similar to how spaghetti is made, and then cut, curled, or straightened into the desired hairstyle. Depending on the quality of the wig, some synthetic fibers can even be heat-resistant, allowing wearers to style them with hot tools like curling irons or flat irons. Once the hair or fiber is ready, it's time to start building the wig. There are different methods depending on the type of wig, but the two most common are machine wefting and hand knotting. In machine wefting, hair is sewn into long strips known as wefts. These wefts are then stitched onto a wig cap in concentric circles or rows. This method is fast and suitable for mass production, but the result may look less natural, especially around the hairline. For a more natural appearance, especially in lace front or full lace wigs, the hair is individually hand-knotted into a lace base. This process is incredibly time-consuming. One wig can take anywhere from 40 to over 100 hours to complete by hand. A technician uses a tiny hook to pull individual strands through the lace, knotting them one at a time. The finer and more densely packed the knots, the more realistic the wig appears. Some lace wigs are even made with a single knot technique at the front to mimic a natural hairline and allow for styles like parting or pulling the hair back. The cap is the foundation of the wig, and its construction affects not only how the wig looks, but also how comfortable it feels. There are different types of wig caps: basic caps, monofilament caps, lace fronts, and full lace caps. Basic caps are machine-made and are usually the most affordable. Monofilament caps feature a breathable, transparent mesh at the crown, allowing the scalp to show through for a more natural look. Lace front wigs have a strip of lace at the forehead where the hair is hand-tied, creating a seamless hairline. Full lace wigs offer the most versatility, with hair tied all over a lace base, enabling wearers to style their hair in any direction, even high ponytails. In many cases, elastic bands or adjustable straps are added to the cap to ensure a snug fit. More advanced wigs may also include silicone strips for extra grip or custom-fitting options for people experiencing hair loss. After the wig is fully constructed, it goes through a final stage of styling and finishing. For human hair wigs, this might involve cutting, layering, and heat styling just like you would at a salon. Some wigs are delivered in basic styles and left up to the customer to personalize, while others are carefully styled to match specific trends, celebrity looks, or character designs for theater and film. Hairdressers who specialize in wigs often shape them using mannequins or wig heads to give them natural movement and volume. For synthetic wigs, styles are often baked in during production, using steam or heat molds. That means they hold their shape even after washing, but offer limited styling flexibility. However, they're great for people who want a low-maintenance option that looks good straight out of the box. After styling, the wigs are inspected for quality control, checking for even density, secure knots, consistent color, and cap integrity. Only after passing inspection are they packaged and shipped to stores or salons. And there you have it, the surprisingly intricate process of how wigs are made. From sourcing the hair to crafting the cap, every wig represents hours of detailed labor and artistry. Whether it's for fashion, medical needs, or a bold new look, wigs have helped people feel confident and express themselves in countless ways. So next time you see someone rocking flawless hair, just remember, it might be the result of some truly amazing craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.